week 1, you'll notice this little icon where it says assignment, read this. This little icon indicates a PDF file. So by clicking on this, I'll be able to read what she's expecting of me. I can click and hold and drag at the edge of the window to make it bigger if I need to. And since this is PDF, I can also zoom in on the text to read it more clearly. So in this assignment, she's asking us to read Part 1A, Brief Primer on Differentiation in the textbook. She's also stating that if you don't have one of the textbooks, it's okay to read the online articles listed here on these links. It's indicated in blue, so therefore I can just click on it and I'm going to go to the link she wants us to read. Then she's saying, once you've read these articles, please comment on the questions below. So there are 3 questions. What areas reflect your personal understanding? How do they differ? And are you willing to put more time and effort into managing these differences? So I understand what the objectives are. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window. I could also download it, print it, as whatever I needed as a reference. Now I'm going to go down to week 1 to the assignment. By clicking here, I'm going to again get an introduction. The instructor is asking us to use Microsoft Word and answer the following questions. When complete, she wants us to save the file, putting our last name first, and then the week in which it's listed. In this case, it would be our last name _ week 1, as indicated here. And then we're also going to submit it. Read the PDF assignment, as we did, and then here are those questions again. All right, it's giving me information of when the assignment is available. You'll notice there is a due date. Now I've changed this due date. This course has already ended, but I wanted to show you how to submit or upload a file. You'll notice this icon or button here that says upload a file. So I click on this. By clicking on this, I'm going to be able to upload a file. Notice it says maximum size for new files is 8 megabytes. Now Word files are generally small, so you should have no problem. This will typically be a problem with any multimedia such as videos or images can get much closer to this maximum file size. I'm going to click on choose a file. This is called the file picker, and the file picker allows us to choose files from various locations. We have server files, private files, and if you remember, I indicated to you where you can upload private files from your course homepage. Or if you did not put it there, we can upload a file. So I'm going to click on upload a file, and you'll notice that it says browse. I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to navigate to where I stored my file. Now I always recommend that people save their file to their desktop in order to have easy access to locating them. Once I am done, then I'll save it to a more permanent folder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this and then select open. Do not use the save as. All right, do not use this field. Right now I gave it the path to where it's going to upload. The author name is your name, and it should be your username. It's going to appear in there. And I'm going to click on upload this file. Once I've uploaded the file, I'm going to verify that it's right here, and I can even click on it and open it to make sure everything is good. I would highly recommend testing your files to ensure that they were uploaded successfully. If you have any problem and the instructor does not allow a resubmit of assignments and you notice that yours did not submit properly, please contact your instructor immediately. I'm going to click on Save Changes. Once I click on this, I am getting the file uploaded successfully message. I'm going to click on Continue. All right, I am seeing again my file. If you do not see this here, I cannot stress enough to contact your instructor to get this remedied. All right, now I'm going to go back, and you'll notice the breadcrumbs again up here. I can go back to my home or back to my course. I'm going to go back to my course, and I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and show you where the grades are. Again, they're listed on the left side, and I'm going to click on grades. Grades are all the grades associated with me in this course. I can see week 1, 2, week 7, 5, 6, and whatnot. So I have all these courses, and I also have the points in which I can receive. In this column listed under feedback, any commentary after my instructor has graded my assignment, I will see the comments here. Using this drop-down menu, I can see a user report, which is the default report, or I can click on Overview Report and see different courses in which I'm enrolled and toggle between them. So I'm going to go back to User Report. I can also notice that these are assignments that are submitted, and you'll notice these cute little two faces. This is a forum assignment. All right, I'm going to go back to the course to show you what a forum looks like. A forum is an area where people can post threads, answer questions. Perhaps your instructor just wants you to post news of interest to the class that it pertains to. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, and I'm going to try to find and locate a forum in which she has in this course. On my way down, I noticed that she has a PowerPoint posted here. So this is going to be a part of the assignment for that week. I now see the little icon of the cute little faces, so I'm going to click on Week 5, Assignment 1 Forum. By clicking here, I am going to read. You've watched a YouTube video. This was previous to the forum. And then the directions are, after having watched the video, please respond to these questions. Now, at this point, I would click on Add a New Discussion Topic, and I would put in here the name of my subject. And I may just say, Mary response to video 1 or whatever it is. And here I will post my answers, thoughts, reflection on the video that I watched. Another option, rather than just typing directly in here, is that you can use Word or even Notepad for that matter, and then using one of these icons, you can copy from Word and click on this icon, and it's going to say paste it. So then I can paste all my text and insert it. This would clean it up for you so there aren't any formatting errors. This is another recommended option, is because then you will have a saved copy on your computer of your responses. All right, and you'll also notice down here that when this instructor had set up this forum, she also gave us an opportunity to upload a file. Maximum size for this file is 500 kilobytes. So you want to make sure that your file size represents 500 kilobytes. You can do that by simply right-clicking on your file and going down to Properties. Here I can add maybe an image, I can add a text file, PDF file, or a Word document file. If I feel that it's necessary to back up what I'm stating here, or if by the instructions in which my instructor gave me that wants me to upload it. Once I am completed, I will click on Post to Forum in order to get my post added. I like this. You have 30 minutes to edit it if you want to make any changes. That's very helpful if you notice that once you've read your discussion topic, maybe you made some mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and read this by clicking on the discussion. All right, I will post my answers. Here I can still edit up to 30 minutes. I can delete it. They can, oh geez, that didn't come out right, or I responded to the wrong video, and do it again. Also, if I was viewing someone else's, and maybe my instructor wanted me to post a response and then perhaps post a couple more responses to my classmates, let's say if this was someone else, I could reply to this post and make my comments related to someone else's post. All right, now that I'm all done, I'm going to go back to my course by, again, clicking on the breadcrumb. I also can go directly to the home and view other courses. All right, I believe I've covered everything, but one other thing I do want to point out to you related to the Critical Connections Academy directly, again, is this main menu. I cannot stress to you how important the main menu is. I'm going to go ahead and click on New Online User Quick Reference. All right, this is very helpful. This is available on the main website of the Academy, underneath where it says Register Course Information, and where I brought this information up earlier. These how-tos for the new Academy student is online learning right for you. How to create or register a new account, how to purchase and or enroll in courses, how to use the Academy, and if you want to purchase college credit through our university partners, you can do this as well. All right, it's been great, and hopefully this video will help you. Thank you.